Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping inside one of Brooklyn's newest transit enhancements, the Church Avenue station on the B and Q lines, where a major construction milestone has just opened, a brand new mezzanine and elevator entrance, bringing full accessibility to a station with a deep history that goes back over a century. This upgrade is part of the MTA's large-scale capital plan. The authority has been investing record-breaking amounts in recent years to retrofit century-old stations with elevators and compliant infrastructure, so that riders of all mobility levels can use the system. Now, a bit of context. The B and Q lines here run along the historic BMT Brighton line in Brooklyn. That line actually traces back to the steam railroad era in the 1800s. The original Brooklyn, Flatbush, and Coney Island Railway opened on July 2, 1878, bringing beachgoers from Brooklyn to Coney Island. In the first decade of the 1900s, the line went through significant reconstruction. Tracks were quadrupled, and the corridor was transformed to handle the density of the surrounding developing neighborhood. Around the Church Avenue station, the line snakes its way through a fairly dense residential area, ducking underneath of streets and threading its way through underpasses. The project reused what was once a lesser entrance on East 18th Street, which was only a simple stairway down to the southbound platform. In fact, this historical entrance on East 18th Street had been closed for decades. Here's a look at what this entrance used to look like back in 2017, seen from the passenger-accessible front window of a museum train run. The new work reopened and expanded that entrance into a full overpass mezzanine, complete with 2 new elevators from street to platform, new stairs, a modern fare control area, and upgraded tactile boarding edges. It's hard to understate just how much the look of the station has been changed by the new overpass. Here's what it looked like right before construction started, and just compare it to what it looks like now. Here is the main entrance at the south end of the station, on Church Avenue. The new entrance is on the fairly quiet East 18th Street, just a short walk away. Just cross the street and head north, and the freshly rebuilt overpass is very easy to find, about halfway down the block. Entering the station, it's clear that the construction crews did a great job. The new overpass is clean, brightly lit, and it even has a countdown clock located front and center. One of the coolest visual perks for train fans is that the new mezzanine gives you an overhead view of the Express B trains as they pass through on the express tracks at Church Avenue, something that just wasn't possible before this new overpass opened. So it's not just better accessibility, but for the train fans, there's also a fresh vantage point for your video and photos. Another piece of context. Concurrent with the opening of this new entrance, the rolling stock in use is also transitioning. On the B line, older R68 and R68A type cars are gradually being displaced by the new R211 subway cars. So the older cars will coexist with this new entrance for only a short time, making for a unique bridge moment in the system's life cycle. So, whether you're a transit enthusiast documenting the evolution of New York City's subway infrastructure, or just a daily rider benefiting from the new fully accessible entrance, you're witnessing a meaningful milestone. If you like this kind of inside look at station improvements and infrastructure updates, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And we'll see you in the next one.